Hello all. Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. Looking to upgrade your packaging line with reliable, high-performance machinery? In this current era, the value of the PP woven bags is higher, which is used in many industries for their packaging and preservation. According to the global market, PP woven bags can cross the range of $8.6 billion from 2025 to 2027. Perhaps, these PP woven bags are widely used in construction materials packaging because of their high strength and long-lasting performance. In today's video, we're diving into some of the main reasons to start a business in the PP woven industries for bag manufacturing. So let's dive in. Among the various packaging solutions, PP, polypropylene, woven bags remain a dominant choice across sectors due to their strength, affordability, and versatility. Here's why now is an especially smart time to enter this business. 1. Rising demand in core industries. Industries like agriculture, cement, fertilizer, sugar, and chemicals are growing and require reliable bulk packaging. This consistent need makes PP woven bags a high-demand product year-round. 2. Growth in export markets. Global trade is booming, especially in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, with strong demand for affordable, high-strength packaging. 3. Urbanization and infrastructure boom. The surge in urban development and infrastructure projects is driving increased use of cement, sand, and construction materials, all commonly packaged in PP woven bags. 4. Agricultural supply chain expansion. With governments and private sectors investing heavily in agriculture and food security, the need for durable bags for grain, seeds, and fertilizer has grown significantly. 5. Automated production process. The production line, covering cutting, printing, and stitching, can be streamlined with modern fully automatic machinery. This reduces labor dependency and increases efficiency. 6. Diversification opportunities. Once established, your business can expand into related products like BOPP bags, laminated bags, valve bags, or even woven sacks for industrial use. 7. Year-round sales and business stability. Unlike seasonal businesses, PP woven bags are in demand across all months due to their use in both agricultural cycles and industrial operations, giving you continuous revenue potential. Every industry has unique needs. Five Finger Exports offers tailor-made machines to suit specific applications like reduce huge manpower, bulk production, 30 to 35 bags per min, uniformity in production, fully automated production, low wastage compared to manual process, one-time investment. If you're ready to boost productivity, reduce costs, and ensure high-quality packaging, don't wait. Visit our website, request a quote, or talk to a sales expert today.